Hey y'all. Okay, so my Virgin Voyages experience was a 9 out of 10. Our check-in process was very smooth. Virgin has it like if you check in, there's different check-in times. So yeah, that's what happened. My girl was lit, okay? You gonna see her all throughout the goddamn video. But anyways, on the elevator, everything is labeled, so it's kind of hard to get lost. If you don't know where something is, you can always check the app, but the elevator also helps. And as you're pulling off, y'all have a huge party at the top, just looking as the ship takes off. And then of course they had games, board games. I'm talking about y'all, that was so amazing. And you don't have to fight little kids over this because Virgin is an all-adult experience, okay? Might have to fight some adults, but hey, you know, it is what it is. The basketball, I was whipping Chris on that court, okay? And as you see, we childish as hell. We on the goddamn seesaw, but it was fun. And then we got to see the restaurant before anybody got to eat in there because it was the first day. Everything was clean, everything was amazing. Our experience with the restaurants, I think our favorite was Gun Bay, but it wasn't because of the food, it was the experience. The food was not that great, but on the ship there's so many activities to do. As you can see, we made puzzles, the room was nice. I do recommend if you're doing makeup, bring lights. But yeah, dessert was amazing, food was amazing. Then we got to Ocho's Rio, and that was fun. Oh my god, y'all gonna see throughout the video, the most content I have is from Jamaica because I had so much fun. And throughout this time, our private driver, as we got off the boat, was just telling us about how they were recovering from the hurricane, and that was really sad and devastating to hear, but we had so much fun. And the best thing we could have did at that time was support the locals, which is what we did. We did not do excursions or book excursions through the ship. We booked on our own. And as you can see, we had an amazing time. Our tour guide was Kevin, and he jumped his ass in the water before us because he knew I was scared, okay? But as you can see, we just jumping in from different heights, and this was the biggest one. And I don't know how the hell I did that because I am afraid of heights. And if you are too, if I could do it, you can, baby. Just, you know, breathe, take a breather. Our food was ready for us as soon as we got from the Blue Hole. It was already ready for us. Our driver took us to go shopping. That was cool too. We got to bargain and, you know, do really well on the island. That was extremely amazing. But as you can see our view from the ship before we took off. And then I went to a play, y'all. This play was banging. My girl could sing, the dances, everything about this was amazing, okay? Just go book everything you can on the cruise while you're there. And then that was Scarlet Night. And then of course I like to color, so my ass was in there coloring. Then we pulled up to the Cayman Islands. When you pull up to the Cayman Islands, you don't just get off immediately, ride a ferry. And of course our boat was the Resilient Lady, 10 out of 10 recommend. We took pictures, went to the museum in the Cayman Islands. It was cool. Then got back on the boat, went to work out, and look at the view, y'all. Amazing. I applaud the staff so much for keeping this boat as clean as it was all the time, 24/7. And trivia night, we got our ass whooped plenty of times, but hey, it is what it is. I was really sad to go, but my experience was a 10 out of 10.